To call Igbo family name. So listen attentively. It's not that I know it all. So in case you know it better than me, you can drop it in the comment section. So let's start with father. Father, we call father Nna or Mpa or Papa. Then we have mother. Mother is Ma, Mama or Nne. Then we have child. Child is same as baby. So we call it Nwa. Then daughter is Nwa Nwanyị. Then son is Nwa Nwoke. Then we have grandmother. Grandmother is in two ways. My grandmother can be the mother to my father or the mother to my mother. So we call it Nne Nnam. If it's the mother to your father, you call it Nne Nnam, Nne Nna. But if it's the mother to your mother, you call it Nene. That's why you see some people actually Nena and you see some people actually Nene. So then we have grandfather. Grandfather is Nana or Nani. So if a grandfather can be a father to my mother or a father to my father. So if it's a father to my father, I will call it Nanam. But if it's a father to my mother, is Nanim. Then we have stepmother. My stepmother is Munye Nam. That's the mother, the wife to my father is Munye Nam, which is stepmother. Then we have stepfather. Stepfather is the name. That's the husband to my mother is the name. Then we have co-wife. Co-wife is like Munye Nam. Munye Nam is actually can be my co-wife. Then we have auntie and uncle. Please, if you are an Igbo person, what do we call auntie and uncle in Igbo language?